So here's switching I want to get into. Mate switching is defined as the breaking up with one partner and remating with another. In dating rotations, 4 to 5 people hold a place and meet with the main partner at whim. For example, a man who has a dating rotation will meet once a week with only one person at a time. The man rarely meets with the same person on a second day. A dating relationship could last a few months or a year or more. This supports the notion of human adaptation and mate switching, in which people avoid and abandon costly relationships and assess for the following objectives. So, with mate switching, people will often sort of employ the types of strategies where they need to monitor or evaluate their current mate and basically decide if they're going to exit one relationship and enter into another. So, what they do is monitor the current mating relationship to determine um, any benefits achieved, costs incurred, and anticipated. People don't like the cost of having to deal with the relationship. They only want the benefits. They will evaluate alternative potential mates while mated. They will circumvent a partner's uh, mating guarding tactics, so maybe the use of sexual jealousy, you know, engage in extra pair infidelity as a tactic for addressing alternative desirable and interested partners. So they might decide that infidelity is a good solution to whatever problem they are having with their current relationship. They might deploy exit strategies for breaking up with a current partner to minimize costs, and they may switch to a new partner when the cost benefit ratio is advantageous. It is defined as the walk away strategy. Women who track their partner's mate value often provide the following reasons for mate switching. So, that sort of inadequate economic support from the husband, cited as a reason for divorce. The current partner is permanently less beneficial. If the woman's mate value increases as a result of receiving an inheritance or elimination of rivals, emotionally dissatisfied with the current partner, and that desire to cultivate a backup male.